So in this 3 meter long beam, okay, 3 meter long simply supported beam of uniform cross section is subjected to a uniformly distributed load of 20 kilonewton in the central 1 meter as shown in the figure. In this uniformly distributed load at the middle, okay, if the flexural rigidity of the beam is 30 into 10 power 6 Newton meter square, to want to maximum slope of the deformed beam. So maximum slope. So 4 option is given. So first convert this beam, okay, this is the reaction force RB RQ. So first draw the end length, okay, distance between this is 1, distance between this is 2. So bottom side also I want to draw the like this, okay, total length is 2 meter, this length also 1 meter, okay, draw the bottom side also. So this beam it is not continuous, okay, from the any of the reaction point. So we want to draw the continuity from the reaction, any one reaction points. So first extend the uniform distributed up to the RQ, also bottom side, this is the neutralized, okay, so both are neutralized. So first we want to find the reaction force, okay, RP plus RQ equal to 20 into 1, okay. So first one, so RP plus RQ equal to 20. So first we want to take moment about a point RP in this one, okay, RQ. So this is the symmetrical one, section is X, this is X, okay, consider this one, this also. So RP into 0 is a symmetrical, okay, is a W by 2, okay. So RP into 20 into 1 into distance 1 plus 1 by 2 into 3 RQ, okay, 3 RQ equal to 1 plus 1.5, so 30, okay, then so RQ equal to 10 kilonewton, RP also 10 kilonewton, okay, this is the W by symmetrical, so W by 2, okay. So using Macaulay's method, first to take moment about point X, okay, section XX, take moment about section XX in this, okay, entire length. So mx equal to RP into X, okay, minus W into X minus 1 into X minus 1 divided by 2 plus W into distances, okay, W by 2, this is the upper side, here lower side W into lower side, okay, moment about lower side, then only using plus sign, W into distance is X minus 2, okay, this distance is X minus 2 into X minus 2 divided by 2, this is force into this is a force into perpendicular distance is X minus 2 divided by 2, okay. So then moment about point X, okay, m of X equal to EI dy by d square by dx square. So integrating, this is using Macaulay's method, is a symmetrical beam. So Macaulay's method, EI integrating EI dy by dx equal to Rp into x square by 2 plus C1 minus W So this is a 6, okay, into x minus 1 whole cube divided by whole cube, okay. So this is also x minus 1 whole square, okay. So x minus 1 whole square is x minus 1 or cube divided by 3. So 3 into 3 into 6. So plus w divided by 6 into x minus 2 whole cube, okay. So due to the symmetrical, the slope will be 0 at mid position. So symmetrical, so this is symmetrical beam. So slope will be 0 at mid section, okay. This is the condition. So condition x midpoint is 1.5, okay, x equal to 1.5. So the total is in say 3. So midpoint is x equal to 1.5 at dy by dx. So here maximum deflection, so slope is 0. So okay, so RP, so at maximum slope is 0, okay. So RP x equal to 1.5, this is the maximum, this point, okay. 1.5 divided by 2 whole square plus C1, so minus w divided by 6 into 1.5 minus 1 whole cube. So this term remaining one of the term is plus w by 6 the x minus 2 whole cube. This is no need, okay, this neglected one. So the maximum reflection up to the point 1.5. So this is no need, okay, no need to consider, okay. So 0 into RP into 1.5 whole square divided by 2 plus C1 minus w divided by 6 into 1.5 minus 1 whole cube, okay. So in this 0 equal to w RP equal to w by 2, okay, RP equal to w by 2, here also w by 2. So w by 2 into 2.25 divided by 2, okay, plus C1 minus w by 6 into 0.125, okay, 0.125. Solve this one. 0 equal to 0.56 w plus C1 minus 0.02083 w equal to 0, okay. So C1 equal to minus 0.56 w plus 0.02083 w, okay. So in this C1 equal to minus 0.539 w, okay, C1 equal to 0.539 w. So solve in this one. So EI theta, okay, theta max equal to RP x square by 2 minus 0.539 w minus w by 6 into x minus 1 whole cube plus w divided by x minus 2 whole cube, okay. So slope will be maximum at the support, okay, slope is maximum at support, okay. So only maximum slope is maximum at the this point and this point. Okay, so remaining point is less than the support. So theta max equal to x equal to 0. Okay, x equal to 0. So remaining is 0.539 W. Okay, this is C1, this is a 0, this is no need to consider. Okay, at the point. So theta P equal to minus 0.539 W equal into W divided by EI. So EI is 30 into 10 power 6. Okay, so solve this one. W equal to 20. So solve this one, can get the value of minus 0.359. Okay, into 10 power minus 3. Okay, this is the answer, 0.539 10 by 3 radian. This is the answer. Okay, the answer is B1, second one. Okay, 0.361 into 10 power minus 3. This is solved by using